Relating contracts together in a contract family allows you to keep track of what agreements are currently active and which obligations and addendums take precedence in a given counterparty relationship. For example, let's say you need to associate an addendum with a current service contract during an SOW renegotiation. In this instance, an admin has added a parent record lookup on a launch form that connects the existing SOW to the new addendum. In order to preserve certain terms from the original contract, Ironclad allows admins to define what data should be pulled into the new contract from within the launch form. When launching this new workflow, key terms such as rates and payment terms will be automatically populated into the appropriate fields in the new contract to ensure continuity. This data can be locked down or hidden from the requester to ensure the right terms make it into the addendum. Once these records are executed, a contract admin or business stakeholder can easily infer which contracts are most up to date or supersede the others by viewing the contract hierarchy in the repository and drilling into the details. If we need to change associations or rearrange the hierarchy, we can do that with a couple of clicks from within the repository. Mass updates to contract metadata are easy with Ironclad. Let's say we have run a repository search for a group of contracts that are supposed to auto-renew today, and we need to update the expiration dates of these contracts to the following year. We can do that by selecting the contracts we want from the list and then clicking on Edit Properties. We will mass edit the agreement expiration date to be 1 year from today. Clicking Update will bring us back to the repository view. Notice all the agreement dates have been updated to next year. Now, let's show you how to manage bulk updates for amendments. Here we have a list of all the contracts in the contract hierarchy for a company called Coffee Bean Company. As we can see, there is an amendment modifying the agreements in the hierarchy to 45-day payment terms, but the MSA and SOW both have 30-day payment terms listed here. If we want the payment terms to flow up to the contracts in the hierarchy, we can use Bulk Update to do this. Now all of the payment terms in our hierarchy will reflect the new amendment. Mass updates can support a variety of use cases, from renewals to amendments.